Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, good afternoon on this Monday. We're seeing, unfortunately, some cloud cover that's been rather persistent in the Grand Rapids area. If you're watching in places like Kalamazoo, over towards Ionia, Hastings, Lansing, Battle Creek, you're probably wondering, what clouds? It's completely sunny where we are. But notice that basically from a line from South Haven up to Grand Rapids, up to Big Rapids, right along 131 points off to the west, we're seeing some persistent cloud cover this afternoon, and it's very localized. Unfortunately, it looks like that may stick around. At least we saw some sunshine over the last few days. In fact, Saturday had 100% possible sunshine in Grand Rapids, and Sunday had 98%. So our sunniest weekend in months. So hopefully that makes this cloud cover a little more tolerable. Here's a live view at Allendale. Notice the flags blowing around. It's a breezy afternoon across West Michigan, and it's going to be a very breezy week for us. Look at Rosa Park Circle, show some skaters out there enjoying the ice rink. And here's that view again from Kalamazoo, showing you that it really does depend on where you are. We're seeing plenty of sunshine in places off to the southeast. Cloud cover having a big impact on temperatures as well. It's 37 in Holland and Muskegon, 34 in Fremont, 39 in Big Rapids. Meanwhile, 40 in Allegan, 46 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, and 47 in Coldwater. Winds, again, steady out of the west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting as high as 25 to 35 miles per hour. And it's going to be a very breezy week. In fact, we expect wind gusts to approach or exceed 30 miles per hour for really each of the next 5 days before we finally quiet things down. So a rather active forecast is ahead for us. That means we do have a wind chill in the 20s in Holland, just 30 in Grand Rapids, 40 in Kalamazoo. We're looking at, again, gusty winds through the remainder of our week. Rain arrives for us for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and a wintry mix is now looking likely for Thursday. Best chance of that's going to be near and north of I-96. Let's walk you through it. Futurecast keeps some of the clouds around for us into this evening, but we should clear it out overnight tonight. Cloud cover arrives early Tuesday, and we see our first batch of rain arrive Tuesday evening through the overnight. We'll get a break during the day on Wednesday, but that's before this stronger system arrives. And again, the latest European model brings the wintry mix for areas between basically Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo, points out for the north. Heavy snow for places like Muskegon, Newaygo. Some of the models have it a little bit farther north. So that's kind of the fine line, is where exactly does that line set up? But many of us will likely see some snow showers on the backside as the system departs. So timing looks to be Thursday afternoon into early Friday. There's growing confidence for a wintry mix somewhere in the Grand Rapids area. It could be north of Grand Rapids, but somewhere in this general vicinity. Still unsure exactly of where that heavy snow or mix line will be. So that's kind of going to be the key to this forecast over the next few days. Afternoon planner shows clouds for Grand Rapids, sun for Kalamazoo. Temperature is steady in the low 40s, although some places down towards Kalamazoo and Battle Creek will likely approach 50. Your 8-day forecast shows many of us getting in on the 50s for tomorrow and Wednesday. Again, that system arrives Thursday into Friday before we dry things out for the weekend. So, been getting a lot of questions about possibility for snow days this winter. We've had almost none.
Right.
Friday might be the day for some people north of Grand Rapids. So
okay.
We'll be watching it closely.
Yes, you always do.
Yes.
Yes.